Mastering CA exams, key insight from ICA webinar for May 2022 attempt. So, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going something incredible valuable for my brothers and sisters, where we are going to break down ICA's webinar for the students. This is going to be amazing, packed with so much insight, genuinely, which will transform your exam strategy. So, what are those? First, first point said by ICA, which is the first 15 minutes. ICA is saying, keep on saying again and again that your first 15 minutes of you reading the question paper, it's very crucial. This particular window can set the entire exam. So they advise that you have to be very confident in the questions you are going to write at the very beginning. So because this will help in the momentum of your examination. And my tip is, please don't start with MCQ first. Second one is, please don't analyze, oh, I don't know this question. Make sure that what is the first question and first two questions. First two entire questions you're going to write. Make sure that this is the first two entire questions, then analyze those questions at least. Read the entire question paper and the first two questions, you have to make sure, oh, this is the two first questions I'm going to read. You have to do that. After 15 minutes, you should not start deciding, oh, this is the question I'm going to do. This second is decoding the questions. You won't believe how many marks have been lost due to misinterpreting the questions. ICA has told that they will be asking what, and students will be answering why. They'll be questioning why. The students will be answering how. So attention to the detail is the key. Read and ensure that the question, ensure that the answer you are answering is in aligning perfectly to the question. When they are asking when, answer when. When they are asking why, answer why. When they are asking how, answer how. Third point, nailing the basics. The first thing about nailing the basics, they told, and this is going to be a very big difference. They're saying you to rightly answer the paper. Along with it, they are telling you to write the question number. And my tip, every exam, after every exam, what I do is, I last 5 minutes. For example, the total hours is 3 hours. 2 hours, 55 minutes, I write. Last 5 minutes, even I have a one question which is 5 marks or 8 marks, I don't care. I see whether I have first put the question number and whether the question number are right. And trust me, mostly at least one or two questions I'll be putting the wrong question number. I admit it. I don't want you to admit it, but I want you to just check it. Just check it. This will change the entire flow. Trust me. This is a very thing. So fourth one is practicing the papers. Why is it ICA saying practicing the papers? It is saying it is non-negotiable. And writing down your solution is essential because it is gonna be a game changer. And never assume, because ICA is saying that students assume that the person who's correcting the question answer paper knows the answer. So they forget the step marks. They forget to write the steps. The reason is they don't practice. So I want you to practice. Now, if you don't have time, at least make sure that there are in this there are totally 10 points. Before writing in this, totally 10 steps are there. Then start writing. ICA is giving you the step. So write down your steps. Even if you think they are obvious, you know 2 plus 2 is 4. Still write. You don't, okay, we know that 2 plus 2 is 4. Why should we write? No, it is obvious. Still, ICA is recommending you to write. Presentation magic. When it is fifth point, presentation magic. When it comes to theory papers, the presentation matters. Presentation truly matters. So it is a secret weapon. Use keywords, technical language, and they are also telling you to highlight the critical points. So how do you do it? How do you do it? How do you highlight? With the pen you are writing, the same color pen you are writing, underline, no problem, highlight. So keywords, technical language, and highlighting the important words. For practical papers, they are telling you that financial statement, clear and neat financial statement can help you get good marks, extremely good marks. So do that. They talked about presentation. Sixth, keep it concise. Keep it concise. Sixth point. So why they are saying to keep it concise? Lot of students think that long answers means more marks. No, especially in practical papers, they think long answers means more marks. Concise to the point answers are most effective. So avoid unnecessary complex answers and don't increase the length of the answer for you thinking that, oh, this is gonna give me more marks. No, in if you want good marks, for 2 mark question, write a 2 mark answer. For 5 mark question, write a 5 mark answer. Next, subject specific wisdom. ICAI provided tailored advice for different subjects. For taxation, they have told that do the working notes. For audit, for CA finance students, they know that professional ethics clauses and a section like 3CD, this will help them boost your confidence. For boosting your confidence, they told that the last 10 days, the last 15 days or 10 days, where if you think that I am going to do this exam the best, you will do amazing. And they told this particular important thing. Just think you pass this exam. You pass this exam. You are telling your juniors, I am so scared. I didn't study in the last 15 days because I'm extremely scared. Is this inspiring? Or you are telling your juniors where, yes, I cleared this attempt because in the last 2 weeks, I was so confident that this attempt is going to be my attempt. This attempt is going to make me clear this attempt. So which one are you going to be? So these are the 8 points. So what is the first point? The 15 minutes. Second point, decoding the questions. Third point, nailing the basics. Fourth one, they're talking about practical papers. Fifth one, they're talking about presentation. Sixth point, keep it concise. Seventh point, subject wise, they told about taxation, do working notes, and in case of accounting, make a clear financial statements, and in case of audit, if you write section number, loss, write section number. And eighth point, boost your confidence. Boost your confidence. Remember, these tips can be a game changer. These tips can be a game changer you have been looking for. Before your exams, revisit the video for a quick refresher. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.